In 1978, five friends drove to a basketball game in California. They never made it home. Their car was found 70 miles away on a remote mountain road. There was no reason for them to be there. For months, no one knew what happened to the Yuba County Five. Then searchers found four bodies in an abandoned trailer deep in the wilderness. One man had survived for weeks in the freezing cold. But here's what doesn't make sense. There was enough food in that trailer to last for months. A propane heater sat unused nearby, yet he starved to death. He'd lost 100 pounds. His feet were black with frostbite, but there were no signs he ever tried to turn on the heat. The fifth man was never found. No one knows why they drove up that mountain. No one knows what happened in those final weeks. Five friends went to watch a game and disappeared into one of America's most baffling mysteries. What could make someone choose to freeze and starve when survival was right there?